still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Emma.
Hey guys, I'm John, and we're Emma and John, you're welcome.
Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new,
Welcome.
Welcome. I'm excited about today's video.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm a bit peckish, so this is good.
Okay, so John's giving you a clue, and you'll probably know from the title. We have ordered an international Yummies box.
We have.
We got this from Amazon, so I'll leave a link to it down below. I saw it on there. It was like a tenner, which I think is a really good deal for like a snack box. I can't tell if it says international Yummies, but I can't tell if it's going to be, because I haven't looked at what snacks are in it. I can't tell if it's going to be international, like from all around the world, or if they're all going to be Turkish because this was made in Turkey.
Okay.
So I don't know yet, but we'll find out. Either way, I'm excited to try.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing.
Snacks. Yeah, but like I said, I'll leave this down below, and if you want to grab it,
then go for it.
It's a tenner.
Yeah, it's worth it.
We did this once. There's another video of us trying snacks from around the world. I'll leave that link up there.
Really fun.
And we had a lot of fun, so we thought...
Absolutely, this is good. I like these.
Okay, so I've just shown you the box quickly, but it's got all different snacks on there. It's got sweets and donuts, cookies, pretzel.
And some funky faced child.
It's got a child that clearly has enjoyed the snacks.
Absolutely.
On the bottom of it.
Ready?
Oh, excited.
I'm leafing it. Let's leaf it.
Oh, there's another leaflet.
Okay, so first one, we're going to go for some sort of cake, it looks like.
Danek.
It feels like a cake.
It looks like a chocolate cake. Oh, coconut and chocolate's got on it. Oh, I just opened it.
Like a Twinkie.
Oh.
It looks like a Twinkie.
It does look like a Twinkie, and it's got 3 holes where they've squirted. I want a chocolatey bit, so I'm going to take it. And then,
you haven't got any chocolate in that one, have you?
a little bit where it's squirted. So it's soft on the inside there.
Okay, cheers. Yeah, that's nice.
I reckon...
You don't like coconut, you like it?
I don't really like coconut. But it does...
I do.
I don't think it tastes like coconut. I think it smells like coconut.
I think it tastes like it as well.
Does it?
Have another bite.
I reckon a 3 for me. I could have done with... I don't think I can taste coconut very strongly.
Okay.
I could have done without the smell of it.
Okay.
But it does taste nice.
I'm going to go higher on that. I'm going to 4.5. I like that. Really nice. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think maybe they're all from Turkey.
Okay, so my vote's Turkey.
Okay, cool. I've never tried snacks from Turkey before.
No, not have I.
Okay, do you want to pick the next one out then? We got a little dinky sweet that obviously... Oh, that just looks like a chewy sweet.
Here's the wafers.
Oh, I love wafers.
It's strawberry, looks like. Strawberry wafer. Yeah.
Hozbez? So I guess we'll title this video Trying Turkish Snacks.
Snacks.
Should I read a bit about the cake that we
I think we should now we know it's all turkey, yeah.
I'm trying not to see what the other things are.
Okay.
Oh, so there was an option of 3. We got the chocolate one, but you could have got carrot, coconut, fruit, or chocolate.
Yep.
That's 4. The cakes are a great idea if you love puffy stuff. Potty has no meaning in Turkish, but some Turkish people call it as best packaged cake ever. Hope you agree.
Yeah, I liked it.
It was good.
Yeah. So, read about this one then.
Hozbez.
Yeah, the wafers.
Hozbez. There's quite a lot in here for £10. Yeah, they're not on my list.
Okay. Well, just a wafer, I think. The strawberry filling in it. Oh, there's loads of them. Okay.
Oh, I love a wafer.
So I thought it was 1 big bar, or 2 big bars, but they weren't like that.
You get these in, we never ever buy wafers like this, but you get them in like the variety pack of biscuits at Christmas. Okay, it smells really strawberry. It smells like a strawberry milkshake.
Yeah.
It's like the Pink Panther wafers that we can get here. Do you get Pink Panther wafers? And if you don't, you're missing out. You should.
They're really, really good.
Yeah, I love these.
The problem is, I went too high at first one now.
You can amend it if you want.
Okay, I'm ending the first one to 3.
I'm wearing mine.
And I'm going to go for 4.75 on that one.
Okay, I'm traditionally like quite a harsh rater. John's a really easy.
Yeah, I'm easy to please.
Yeah, I really like those, and I'm going to give it a 4.
Okay.
Because it's not like, I'm pretty sure it's something else.
I would definitely buy that.
I would buy them.
You know, in a petrol station.
And I like that they're in a little packet as well. Like, there's just enough wafers.
Definitely pick one of them up.
Yeah. I'm sad that they're not on our list. I wonder if it was like, you could get this or something else.
Yeah.
But, anyhow.
Okay, you pick.
There is so much in here.
There is loads. Let me show you. Look
Oh yeah, we should have shown.
How much is in there?
For £10.
And obviously you had the 2 we just tried as well. What's really good.
Okay. We've got some little sweets. We'll try them in a minute. Oh, we get one each, look. Should we try the sweet now then? It's chewy, mine. So this is called a cremini mini. A cremini mini, and it's strawberry flavoured.
That's upside down.
They look chewy. Uh-huh. It tastes like a Mawam, but tougher. I would say that's less good than a Mawam. It's not bad.
It's okay. It's not bad.
But I would give it a 2.
Okay. I was going to give it 3.
Standard. Okay. Okay, you pick the next thing.
Okay.
I pick the rubbish sweets.
Let's go for a walnut then.
Okay, what's it called? Wanted. Ooh. Let me see if
Okay. This looks good. It looks like a caramel in it, I think.
This looks like something that
Oh,
would
look
be...
at that.
Something that would be right up my street there.
Yeah, okay, you like this.
Look at the-
It reminds me of a Lion Bar. Remember them?
Yeah.
I just love them.
Oh, it's not nuts. It's wafer.
Yeah, it's really good. 4.5. I think I'm too high on my ratings.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
I don't want to give it any higher than a... I don't think it's better than... Oh god, is it really sad that a plain pink wafer is my favourite so far? I'm going to go 3... Are we doing 7.5s?
If you want to, yes.
I'm going to go 3.75 because it is nice and I would buy it.
Okay.
But I would choose the wafer over that.
The pink wafer.
Yeah, and that's just a plain wafer, and I feel like if you're choosing a wafer, do more.
Okay.
And also, I'm disappointed it's not nuts.
Okay.
Oh. These are on my list. I've seen these.
Okay.
It's called pizza, or pizza.
Some crisps or some sort of, I don't know.
It was first introduced.
Bit.
Yeah, it was first introduced to the Turkish market in the 90s, and it was a failure.
Okay.
Turkish people did not like it, and almost all pizza restaurants were closed within... Oh, pizza was introduced in the 90s, and Turkish people didn't like it. And all pizza restaurants closed within a few years. Until the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles started on TV. All of a sudden, Turkish mums ended up with their children pestering for pizza. This gave an opportunity for pizza productions to rise from the ashes.
Oh, wow.
Go Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I love a pizza.
What flavour are they?
We have got
It's got an onion, a chilli, and a tomato on it.
So, I mean,
We guess.
we like a pizza. Look at that. You can see that.
It says pizza cracker.
Yeah.
Oh, they smell herby.
We had something like this before.
I could munch all of these.
Okay.
They're a bit like if you're in America. I don't know what they're similar to in England, but if you're in America, they're like goldfish. It's that kind of crunch. They're a little bit spicy. No.
They're nice.
I like them a lot.
Yeah.
They're my
They're nice.
current favourite.
Go on
4.25.
Okay.
Slightly better than a plain wafer.
4.5.
What
Still
was your
high.
highest thing? Still the wafer?
I think so. Can't remember.
Team wafer. Okay. This is pink, and so I want it.
Okay.
It says Harby.
Okay.
Harby. One says the oldest standing snacks in the market.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. It's a light chocolate for casual snacking. It says snacking suggestions. Some like it alone, some like it dipped into their tea.
Ooh.
Be creative, have your own way.
I have got a tea.
Are you going to try it then? Oh, it's a biscuit!
As if I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we just snap it?
Yeah.
We've got Louis down here as well. He's like, so inside it looks like a white chocolate.
Yeah.
So it's like a chocolate biscuit and a white chocolate.
It smells amazing.
Oh, it does smell good. We need like lift music for our thing. What do you reckon then?
5 for me. That was really nice. I could easily have that with a cup of tea. No problem at all. Probably too much.
A 5 though.
Yeah, really nice.
That's the best thing you've tasted so far.
I think so. Yeah, I haven't tasted anything nasty or horrible, but yeah, that was really, really, really nice.
I'm going to go a 4. I still like the Pizza Crisp better.
Really?
Yeah, so it's level with... it is a very, very nice combination. It's a good biscuit.
Yeah.
It's a good chocolate. I like the white chocolate in the middle because it's a bit milkier.
I think that's better than a Hobnob.
No.
I think so.
What about... Because for me, it was similar to those pickup biscuits.
Yeah, they're nice. Yeah.
So was it better than a pickup?
I think it was, yeah.
Okay, so...
Do you?
No.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to
pickup biscuits got thicker chocolate.
Yeah.
But I think your taste of that was nicer. Okay, let's go for... Give Never Crisps. Crisps, I guess it is.
Oh, yeah. What's it called? Crispy. Let me see if I can find crispy on it. Okay.
What flavour are they?
You either get both.
I'm guessing them some sort of herb.
Yeah, so the options were hot, cheesy, herby, ketchup, or mayo.
So we've got Herbie.
I think we've got herby. Oh, is it taco? Does it say taco?
No, it just says Herbie and crispy.
Herbie then. The herby one is covered with 10 different herbs, and as the name suggests, this
Herbie.
snack claims to be crispy.
Okay. It smells herby. That's what it looked like in a pack. Coming up.
Are they breadsticks? Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, these are it.
Oh, wow.
They're not crisps.
No.
They're, have you shown? They're like tiny little breadsticks.
They're good. Oh, wow.
They're a 5. They're the best thing in this box so far. They're
good.
so yummy. We'll be fighting over them later.
Could be a 5 for me as well, yeah. They're nice. Oh, wow, this is amazing.
John just got it. We've each got one of these sweets. Do you want to try that? I don't know if it's bubblegum or not.
Okay.
Purple or orange?
Orange.
Oh,
Okay.
the little face on it looks like it might be very
Oh, yeah.
sour.
You've seen the face.
It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know if it's bubblegum, so go careful. No.
No?
It's so sour. I only put my tongue on it. Your one looks more sour than mine.
There we go. Oh my god.
That's a 1 from me.
I think
There was no need for that.
it was 1 the first bit, but then it got better. So I reckon it was a 2.5 then.
No, it's still making my eyes hurt.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Caramelo. I'm definitely saying this with the wrong accent. Smooth milk chocolate stuffed with caramel. The name itself is a bit mixed up version of caramel and milk. As you can see, Turkish snack producers take the liberty to mix and match English words to create unique names for their products.
I love that.
This one looks good.
Yeah. Okay. You can't go wrong with chocolate and caramel.
Unless the chocolate is rubbish.
And there's a chocolate, but the chocolate's been nice.
Yeah, it has been nice.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, so this chocolate smells nice.
It does.
It smells like Easter egg chocolate.
It does, yeah. It smelled better than it was.
Yeah. Like 2.5.
Yeah.
Because everything else has been so good.
Yeah, it smelled better than it was that. I mean, it was nice, but there's definitely better. So
Yeah.
2.5.
Okay, so coconut.
There's loads in there.
I know. I would definitely recommend this box.
Yeah. Okay. So here's hazelnut then, I guess.
Yeah, it's got hazelnuts in it. I've had something like this before, but
Again, your chocolate smells lovely. That's good.
it's basic, but the hazelnuts are good and the
Yeah.
wafer's good. It's got wafer in it. So 4.
Okay. I was going to go for 4.5. It was nice.
Nothing
yeah.
is beating those crisps, I guarantee.
No, them crisps was lovely.
Okay, I would vote we don't try this because
What's
it's
that?
popping candy.
Okay, we can do later.
Yeah, it'll just be standard popping candy. And I don't think we need that right now. Okay, so we've got one sweet left and one, it looks maybe savoury. Oh, can we do these? Yeah. I love these. These are the biscuits you get in fancy coffee shops.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are. Yes.
So it's super roll. I don't get coffee, so I never get to have these.
You always have mine at a coffee shop.
Yeah, a classic wafer roll, a favourite of Turkish people. We love dipping this into a cup of tea. Beware if you hold it too much into a cup of hot tea, it breaks in the middle. Be gentle and give it only a few seconds to reach the perfect texture. If a cup of hot tea is not around, it's just as good without a cup of tea.
Good job we got a cup of tea, as if I know.
Oh, we get one each.
Oh, good.
I'll have this one, it's a bit broken.
So we're going to go one without a cup of tea and one with...
I'm not going to, I don't like tea. So. 3.5.
Definitely better with a cup of tea, it melts the chocolate. 4. Really good. I like that.
I don't think it's as good as the pink wafer still.
Okay.
And so I gave that a 4, so I'm going to go 3.5.
Okay.
Okay, and this...
My score's all over the place.
Yeah. This one is called Greta.
Okay.
It's an Egan representative of the Turkish snacking world. It represents traditional Spanning-way-backed Greek police cities, which is now a Turkish soil. Am I holding that the right way up? Yeah. A tradition that can be summed up with a few words. Olive-based biscuits coupled with unique seeds and herbs.
Okay.
I love olives.
This is amazing. For 10 quid,
it's
you
really
can't go wrong with
box.
that.
I mean, the only problem is, like, I don't know if all of the ones on there are the same. They look like they might be similar. Oh, I broke.
I wonder if you could pick different countries, or are they all from Turkey?
Yeah, I don't know. Do you want to...
You go for that one, yeah? Okay. So, it's like a...
they smell good.
Biscuit
oh,
type
I don't
one.
know if you're going to like this. They smell really strongly of olives.
Oh, yeah.
But
I
is it
like
just...
olives.
I love olives, so...
No.
No.
It's alright.
No.
That's worse than in there, for me, because I don't like olives.
It does taste like olives.
For me, that has got to be 2.
Which is interesting.
That's being generous, because I don't like olives. But
I really like these.
yeah.
I'm really glad I'll have these.
You
then.
have them, yes.
Yeah, yeah, no, I really like that. I reckon this is the crisps are like my top thing, and then this just under that at like 4.75. But they're a really good cracker. Like this.
They're really, really good. I'm well impressed with this box. There's definitely more in here that I liked by a lot than I disliked. I don't think I disliked anything apart from that last one.
Turkey's
really
got
good.
the snacks.
Yeah, really have.
So my favourite thing then were the crispy breadsticky things.
Yes,
and
these ones. These were really, really good. Really amazing. And the pizza bit ones. We've got snacks everywhere. And these were amazing.
And the wafers.
And the wafers was really good.
I like this as well.
And
we liked everything.
that hazelnut chocolate bar was really good as well.
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this box. Now that we know that because we weren't sure if it was international or just Turkey, but obviously we just want to make note that our thoughts and our prayers are with everybody in Turkey.
Absolutely, yeah, unbelievable what's happening at the moment, and yeah, we send all the love we can possibly send at the moment because that's horrific there.
Yeah, so obviously our thoughts are with them.
Absolutely.
But we would recommend this box.
Their snacks are unbelievable. That was so nice, and when
supporting a Turkish business has made me happy.
Absolutely, yeah. When they all got their stuff back together, we go on holiday because that's just for snacks.
Real
was
snacks.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you would like to see another snack box in the future. We can pick Japan or somewhere like that. That would be interesting. I've really enjoyed this.
Yeah,
right
really nice.
Yeah,
yeah, right before lunch.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.